Are you looking to get fit? Incline push-ups are perfect for beginners. They are an effective way to build strength. Plus, they engage your entire body. So, what exactly are incline push-ups? They are a modified push-up variation. By adjusting the angle, you can make the exercise easier. Let's break down how to do them step by step. First, find a sturdy surface. A bench or a table works great. Place your hands on the edge, shoulder width apart. Next, walk your feet back until your body is straight. Keep your legs together and engage your core. This position helps support your body. Now, slowly lower your chest toward the surface. Make sure your elbows are at a 45-degree angle. It's important to keep your body in a straight line. Finally, push through your palms to return to the starting position. Repeat this for 8 to 12 reps. Why do incline push-ups work? They target your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Plus, they are easier than standard push-ups for beginners. This modified position reduces strain on your joints. Imagine starting with incline push-ups. As you gain strength, progress to standard push-ups. This gradual increase prevents injury and builds confidence. To summarize, incline push-ups are simple and effective. They help build upper body strength and improve endurance. Ready to try incline push-ups? Start incorporating them into your workout routine today. Transform your fitness journey one push-up at a time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Bodyweight for more fitness tips.